everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is in partnership with Protoarc. Protoarc is a company that creates products for a more comfortable and convenient workspace experience. And for today's video, I will be unboxing one of their products. It's their new 2-in-1 hub mouse. So if you're interested in this video and if you are looking for a really portable mouse that you can take anywhere and it's also a hub, please stay tuned in this video, and without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, so since it's a beautiful day today, I decided to work outside in the backyard, bring my laptop with me, and test out the mouse that we have for today. Okay, so I'm gonna try out the mouse now. Let's turn it on. There is a switch button at the bottom. Okay, so this should be Bluetooth. Okay, so I have selected the Bluetooth. Now let's add a Bluetooth or device. Okay, so if you wanted to turn on the Bluetooth, there is another button here with the numbers 1, 2, and 3. So make sure that number 2 is blinking and selected, so you can just press the button to select the mode that you want. So Bluetooth is this 2, and then you can see on your screen that it shows up when you're trying to add a Bluetooth to your device. Okay, so let's select the hub mouse here. That's the name of this, and we are ready to go. So let's test it out. Okay, so that's very easy. Okay, so far it looks good. Can just easily use my mouse wherever I go, wherever I take my laptop with me. Okay, and now I am gonna try the hub that comes with it. Okay, so this hub comes with 3 ports. There's an HDMI, USB-A, and USB-C. This is very useful if you have like a flash drive that you want to insert, or other devices like cameras or phones, to your laptop, and it just detects it. It is plug and play. No need to install other software. It just shows up. So that's very convenient, especially with tablets. If you work with a tablet, there's not a lot of ports on tablets, so this hub is very useful. The HDMI slot supports 4K, and the USB-A is a USB 3.0. So the mouse also comes with a built-in rechargeable battery that you can just charge. It comes with this USB charger, and if the battery is low, you can just charge it and connect it to a computer and it will charge. So you can use it wirelessly, or if the battery is low, you can also connect it with this wire. So this mouse is very useful for my setup, especially if I'm taking my laptop with me to work. I don't have to carry a lot of devices. I have my 2-in-1 mouse with me. Very, very helpful, especially if I'm just taking my laptop with me. So I wanted to show you a mouse, a new mouse that I got. I want you to test it out and see how you like it. Okay?
How you like me now?
So let's see how fast you can figure out how to make this mouse work without instructions. Okay, so I just want you to figure out how to connect the mouse and how to use it. I'm not gonna tell you how. Let's see if you can figure it out quickly without reading instructions from the manual. Okay, so what do you think about the mouse?
What do I think of this mouse?
Yeah, what can you say about it?
I love it. 'Cause normally, for you to wirelessly connect a device, you would have a USB thing.
Oh yeah, the dongle.
A dongle.
Usually you have a dongle, but this
one can connect.
This one no need, because Bluetooth is connecting directly to the computer that you have. So there's no need for a dongle, because that's like an extra device that you have to carry with you, especially if you are traveling.
And you don't need battery for this. So like if you work in an office, you know, when you're about to leave, you can just charge it on your way out and then come back to work fully charged.
Yeah, because the battery is built into the mouse. You don't have to change batteries. Just plug it in with the USB cable.
You can hide the hub inside the mouse.
That's a pretty sleek design too, because it's 2-in-1 and you can just put the hub inside without taking up space in your bag. So that's very, very useful. And it also comes in 2 colors. There's white also, if that's what you like.
You got the black one.
And the design is very sleek. It's small. It's very portable. That's what they are aiming for when they designed this. I think it's pretty good.
Yeah, look how small that is.
Yeah, it could fit in the palm of your hand. So that would be it for today's unboxing video, and if you're interested in more of Protoarc's products, you can check out their website at protoarc.com.